Welcome to Lab 2 assignment for CMP 281, playing with Google App Engine. Google App Engine lets you run your web application on Google's infrastructure. App Engine applications are easy to build, easy to maintain, and easy to scale as your traffic and data storage needs grow. With App Engine, you just upload your application and it's ready to serve your users. We'll be deploying a Java web application on a Google App Engine. For that, we'll use Eclipse and we'll require Eclipse plugin for Google. For that, we'll have to download the plugin link from the Google's website. We'll copy this link and paste it here. Click on install new software and we are ready to go. We have to select all these and then we are ready to install the new software. Since I've already installed it, we'll move on to the next step. The next step involves the creation of a web application using the Google plugin. To do this, once we install the Google plugin, you will get a icon here, which is the Google plugin icon. Pull down. So click on it and create a new web application project. Let's name it intro demo and give it a package name .test. uh, we'll use the Google App Engine instead of the Google Web Toolkit and we'll finish this operation. The application has been created and the folder structure you can see is source, application engine, GRE system library and a WAV file. This is the index.html where we get all the contents, and here is the main content for the application engine. This is the web.xml where we have the applications demo, and this is the app engine.xml where which we'll use in the future, and the source file is here where we can edit the content which is to be displayed on the application. So we have written hello world for this, so we will change this to this is an introduction to engine. So here we are. Now we are almost ready with the Java web application. We'll go into the console for the Google App Engine. To deploy the application on the Google App Engine, we'll have to first access the Google Cloud Platform. To do this, search for Google App Engine here and go to googleappengine.google.com. So these are the Google credentials which you have. These are the same credentials for Gmail or for your Drive, etc. So login, sign in. Once you sign in, you can see the dashboard here. This is the dashboard for App Engine, but the main dashboard is the Google Cloud Platform. You can see here all the details of your project which is running. You can see the services which are normal. You can see the applications. You can create a project from here. So we'll create a new project here by clicking on create a project. So it's like test my test project. once you click on create, it will generate an ID. Keep this ID as this is important. I am the server which will deploy the application on this using this ID. So we create this. Okay, it's running, it's creating application, a new project for ourselves. So now when you go to App Engine, just a second, you go to Google App Engine, and when you see here a new project has been created with application ID as my test project, and status is that it is not deployed yet. So to deploy this project, we'll have to go to the Eclipse, go to our project, click on Google icon here, and we'll click on deploy to App Engine here. But before that, we'll have to make some changes in this file. As I said earlier, the App Engine -web.xml is important file, and the application ID is also important. So to run the project on the Google App Engine, we'll use the application ID and paste it here. We'll save this. We'll take a build for this project, and now we can go ahead with deploying the application to the App Engine. Yeah, choose the project which you want to deploy, and it will automatically launch the application after it has been deployed. Make sure you have your JDK compliance level to 1.7. We'll start with deploy here. Okay, deploy the application, and so this has failed. This is due to the compliance has not been set. For that, we'll have to use, go to properties, we'll have to go to Java compiler, and we can see that the compiler compliance level is 1.8. Change it to 1.7 as the pop-up had suggested, and apply. Yes, build the project. Okay, and then we'll have to rerun the whole process. Go to Google, deploy to App Engine, intro demo selected, deploy. Yes. After it has been deployed, since we have selected automatically to open the application, the Explorer will open, and you can see that App Engine, this is the, sorry, uh, the application engine has been started. Then you click on here. So this is what we had entered into the servlet, and the application has been deployed successfully. Now if you see the Google App Engine dashboard, once we refresh this, we see that the application is running, and this is our project ID, my test project, which has been created. So we have successfully seen how to deploy a web application onto the Google App Engine by using Java Eclipse plugin, the Google's plugin for Eclipse. And once again, we'll show the main dashboard. This is the main project, and we have IDs for the projects. So this is in running state, and we can see the application here. This is has been deployed successfully. Thank you.